Bismillah walhamdulillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Remy 4 puppies, how are you doing? I missed you all. I hope we meet in peace, inshallah. You are welcome to second week of the term. Last week, we are able to outline the scheme of work for third term 2019-2020 section, and we said for first week we are having open sentences followed by binary number system, profit and loss, simple interest, commission and discount, perimeter and circumference, area of rectangle, triangle, volume, average speed. So last week the topic taught was open sentences. We are able to define open sentences and we worked several examples. For today, inshallah, the topic will be profit and loss. The word profit simply means gain. It simply means gain. What we benefit. Profit means what we benefit from a transaction, what we gain from a transaction. While the opposite of profit is loss. Loss means that we don't benefit, we don't gain from a transaction. So let's look at some terms under profit and loss. The first one is cost price. That is the amount we pay when we buy an article. Selling price. That is the amount we sell an article. So profit is made when the selling price is greater than the cost price. In a transaction, is either we gain or we lose. So before we can say that we made a profit, the selling price must greater than the cost price. That is, your SP must greater than your CP. Loss is made when the selling price is less than the cost price. When the selling price, the amount that we sell an article, is less than the amount we pay for an article. That is loss. Before we can say that we made loss, selling price must less than cost price. So let's look at the formula for calculating profit and loss. Profit or gain is equal to selling price minus cost price. From here also, you can calculate selling price. Selling price is equal to cost price plus profits. You can also calculate cost price. That is cost price at a profit. It will now be selling price minus profits. Also, the formula for loss. Cost price, loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Here also you can calculate cost price, that is cost price at a loss. That will be selling price plus loss. You can also calculate selling price at a loss. That will be cost price minus loss. So let's look at the examples. Number one, you have a trader bought a bag of beans for 3,515 naira 85 kobo and sold it for 3,748 naira. You are asked to find our profits. So here the first thing to do is to write what you are given. What am I given? What am I asked to calculate? What am I looking for? Write what you are given down and what you are asked to calculate. Here you are given cost price, which is the amount we paid. That is, you are given 3,515 naira 85 kobo as your cost price. For the selling price, you are given 3,748 naira. If you look at this, you will see that the selling price is greater than the cost price. So therefore, the trader made what? Profits. She makes profits. So profit now, the formula for calculating profit now is equal to SP minus CP. So your profit now will be 3,748 naira minus 3,515 naira 85 kobo. So the profit now will be 2 naira 332 kobo. 232 naira 15 kobo. So a car battery, that's number 2. A car battery cost 3,050 naira and it was later sold for 2,895 naira 50 kobo. What is the loss or profit? Here you are asked to decide whether it is loss or profit. The first thing is to write what you are given and what you are looking for. Here you are given cost price to be 3,050 naira and you are given selling price to be 2,895 naira 50 kobo. Here, looking at it, selling price is less than cost price. Therefore, it is what? It is loss. Whenever you have your selling price less than cost price, it is loss. So looking at the formula of loss, loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Therefore, you have 3,050 naira minus 2,895 naira 50 kobo. So the loss is 154 naira 50 kobo. Looking at example 3, by selling a tin of oil for 1,320 naira 50 kobo, a man made a profit of 150 naira 50 kobo. How much did he pay for it? What are you given? By selling a tin of oil, which means that 1,320 naira 50 kobo is the selling price. Therefore, the SP here is what? 1,320 naira 50 kobo. A man made a profit. The profit here is 150 naira 50 kobo. How much did he pay for it? Look at the definition. Looking at the definition of cost price, we said cost price is the amount paid for an article. Therefore, here we are asked to calculate cost price. That is cost price. We are asked to calculate cost price here. So the formula for cost price will be what? Selling price minus profit. So you have 1,320 naira 50 kobo minus 150 naira 50 kobo, and the profit will be 1,170 naira. You arrange. When you minus, you put your selling price 1,320 naira 50 kobo up and 1,150 naira 50 kobo down, and you make sure that the points, they are on the same vertical line. So looking at example 4, a bag of cement costing 1,290 naira was sold at a profit of 64 naira 50 kobo. Find the selling price. Here we are looking for the selling price. What am I given? I'm given cost price. The cost price is 1,290 naira, and the selling price, it was sold. When you hear the word sold, it's referring to selling price. When you hear the word pay, it's referring to cost price. it was sold at a profit of 64 naira 50 kobo. Here you are given profits, that is, the woman sold at a profit of 64 naira 50 kobo. So you are asked to look for the selling price. Selling price is equal to CP plus profits, and you have your selling price to be 1,290 naira plus 64 naira 50 kobo. Your 1,290 naira plus will be up and 64 naira 50 kobo will be down, and you make sure that the points, they are on the same vertical line. So you have your selling price to be what? 1,354 naira 50 kobo. So that will be the end of today's lesson, first lesson for this week. Inshallah, we shall continue in the second lesson. If you have any question, you can call and you can send message. And for the assignments, it will be we are going to upload it in the assignments module. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.